a beautiful, very hot day thanks to climate change, and it's a good day to drink some coconut. And we're going to answer a very important question. Are coconut shakes truly healthy? We got some fresh coconut to scrape off the coconut meat. We got some coconut juice. We're going to have some coconut ice cream, ding, and a bucket of ice, ding. So yeah, they are not here. We have to animate it because we don't want them to melt while we prepare the rest of the ingredients.
What else do we need?
We need a blender to zzz everything, and then we need a knife to crack open the coconut. Yeah, so kids, don't make your own coconut shake. Yeah. I think we'll break at the table because it's quite impactful.
Okay, we're going out.
Okay, we're going out. Very heavy. The coconut very heavy. Oh my god.
MJ,
Yeah.
is coconut a nut?
Actually, botanically speaking, meaning like in the scientist's point of view, it is not a nut, it's actually a drupe. So drupe are like peaches. Basically, there's a fleshy outer layer surrounding a hard shell. So the fleshy outer layer for the coconut is actually the fibrous husk. So it's like a dried kind of flesh. Coconut nut is not a nut. I'm very scared.
You be careful, okay?
So what you want to do is cut a circle at the top so that you can like open it. So because the fibrous husk is supposedly still soft enough, you can use the back of the knife to, you know, like chop it off in a nice. Oh no, I'm not creating the circle. The juice is coming out. This is gonna take a while. I hope no coconut master sees this. It's gonna disappoint them. Wow, shook! Yeah, so this fibrous husk, right, you can trap air and it allows coconut to float in the ocean, which is why you find coconut palms around the sandy shores most of the time. So this entire coconut is actually the fruit. The one where we eat the coconut meat and drink the coconut juice is actually the seed itself.
Stop eating, we need the meat.
Oh, now we need...
Let's bring it in.
Okay.
MJ, what's the use of the meat and water for coconut then?
Oh, you mean the one that I'm eating right now?
Yeah.
So they are actually nutrition for the young baby coconut plant that was sprout up from the coconut fruit itself. So as the coconut matures, right, the water will actually solidify and stick to the side of the coconut to become the coconut meat. So as the coconut becomes older, you realize the meat is tougher and the coconut juice tastes like pee. Kind of.
Why do you know what pee tastes like?
No, it's pouring up! Oh, that's a lot eh.
Stop drinking.
Oh, it's one chunk of coconut meat. So on the contrary, while coconut juice has like potassium, manganese, copper, micronutrients, for the coconut meat, it's mainly made up of fat. It's just really fat. Okay, I think we're good. Usually the coconuts that we eat, they are more rounded in shape and they have thinner husks with more coconut water and coconut meat because they are domesticated for our consumption. While the wild ones, if you ever see one, is actually more triangular in shape, elongated with the thicker husk because their main purpose is to disperse the coconut fruit everywhere to go into a new coconut palm. So right now we have 400 milliliters of coconut juice. So that is enough for 2 servings. So if you're doing 1 serving, 200 milliliters will do. 1 cup of ice for 1 serving. So right here I have 2 cups of ice. Oh, that's a lot of ice. And now the key ingredient, coconut ice cream. So yep, coconut shake isn't as healthy as you think because of this magical ingredient that makes it taste good and creamy. Recipes calls for 4 scoops per serving. But honestly, I would just put more because I just like it creamy and I know it's unhealthy, but it's fine. Blend these ingredients first before you add the coconut meat and I will let you know why. I can't close it, why? What? Oh, wrong side, okay. Wow, it looks like it's a bit too much. I'm so greedy, but anyway, let's start, shall we? Because we want to be able to taste the texture of the coconut meat. So if you put it from the get-go, it will be too small. The pieces will be too small basically because it has been blended for quite some time. But if you add it now and you just blend it like one more time, the meat pieces will be bite-sized. It's nice enough. You can taste it, you can chew on it. 1,000 ml of coconut eh! Wow! Coconut shake eh! It's like... Ta-da! Ching 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 ching! Homemade coconut shake!
Is it not sweet enough?
Yeah.
That's because places like Mr. Coconut, they put a lot of sugar into their
Really?
coconut shake, yeah. So you know you can choose sugar level, right? So it's kind of like bubble tea.
Oh my god, that actually makes it even less healthier than I thought it would be. It's not too bad, it's just that it feels like it's lacking a bit of sugar. Okay, let's add back sugar and see if it tastes like the real thing. We're gonna add 2 scoops of white sugar.
Let's just do 1 scoop first.
1.5, okay. Oh, it's slightly better. So to answer the question of the day, are coconut shakes really healthy? If it tastes really good, right, chances are they're not exactly super healthy. If you really want to have coconut in its healthiest, purest form, you have to buy the one that's non-processed with no added sugar, and that don't necessarily taste very good. So just bear in mind guys, the calories from 2 bottles of coconut juice is equivalent to around 1 can of soft drink. So yeah, don't overdo it because the calories does pack up and that is not healthy. So that's all for today for the humble coconut. Just keep thinking!